Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem many of us face while using our devices, the issue of accidental data loss. Picture this. You're working on an important document or project, and suddenly, due to a simple mistake or technical glitch, your data disappears into the digital abyss. It can be frustrating and stressful, but fear not, as there is a solution to this problem. In situations where you've inadvertently lost data, such as documents, photos, or videos, it's crucial to act quickly to increase the chances of recovery. One effective solution is to utilize data recovery software, which can scan your device and potentially retrieve lost files. These programs work by searching for traces of deleted data on your storage drive, piecing them together, and restoring them to a usable state. Remember, the key is to stop using the device immediately to prevent overwriting the lost data. Another solution to consider is utilizing cloud storage services as a preventive measure against data loss. By regularly backing up your important files to the cloud, you can ensure that even if something happens to your device, your data remains safe and accessible. It's like having a digital safety net to catch your files in case of emergencies. Plus, cloud storage offers the convenience of accessing your data from anywhere. So it's a win-win. To wrap things up, the problem of accidental data loss can happen to anyone, but with the right solutions at hand, you can minimize the impact and potentially recover your precious files. Whether it's using data recovery software or embracing cloud storage, there are ways to safeguard your data and peace of mind. Remember to stay proactive in protecting your files, and stay tuned for more tech tips or tricks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Who knows, your data recovery story might just save someone else's day.